Hey everybody, I made another Lego candy machine. It's really big. It's a really big one. And this was the most difficult one ever, and it works really good. So here's how it works. Let me take these pieces. So those pieces are off, and there's what it looks like inside. There's a lot of internals. What I have is that what you do is you take all these pieces, you put them in like this, just like this, or else it wouldn't work correctly. And here's how this little platform works. You have to take this off, then it's like this. This is what holds your gumball, and it's really cool. So now I will show you how it works. Put all these pieces back. Oh, and I'm going to teach you how to put together these pieces, because on the video that I saw it wasn't really clear. It was like a stop motion video, which it was from Lego Gun Master, so you could check his channel out, and then you could make this thing. Okay, so how to put it back together is that I take two of these 4x6 pieces, and then I put one in that corner, then another one inside of that corner. Then I take this piece and this piece, I put right, actually no, I put these two pieces right here, then I put that one right there, and it's a 2x8. It's a 2x8. So then I take a 2x4, and these are all flat pieces. You could use the I forgot what they're called, like the chunky pieces, something like that, and do that. But this just looks better. And I put them right there. Then for this one, I put it across there. Then I do the same with these two pieces here. Then I take this big piece, then I put it right there, in that corner, right there. Here, and here's how it works. So the coin slot is right there, and you put your gumball, or I'm using a marble for this matter. You put it through, right here. Right there, like that, and then you take your coin and you put it in that slot, like that. Push it. And as you can see, the gumball came out, or the marble for that matter. So, I can't make a tutorial because I don't have authorization, because you need to get authorization before you make a tutorial, and, whoops, and, yeah, and I'm going to teach you how to make, basically. I'm going to teach you right now how to make this little platform here, which holds the gumball, because that's really, really important. So what you do, let me take it apart quick. Okay, so here's how you do it. You take your 4x4, 4x4, and then you put a 3x2, 2x3, and this needs to be this piece needs to be flat like this. Can't be chunky like that. Then you take your piece, your 3x2, 2x3, then you put it at the bottom right in the center, like that. And then you position it so it's either to that side or to that side. I'm gonna put mine to that side right there. Then you take this piece, which is a 2x4, and you put it on one side of the flat piece, 4x4 piece, and then you take this. This. I'm using 2 of these 2x2s, and I'm putting them on top of this 2x4. I mean, and there you go. There's the little chip piece. That's where you hold your gumball, or for my case, the marble, like that. And yeah, I'm gonna do a quick test again. Okay, so I'm gonna put these pieces back on. Got my quarter here, and this only takes quarters, so yeah. Okay, so like this, just gonna put it back on like that, then it's ready to go. Here's what you do: take your gumball or marble and you stick it in there and behind that right there. Then you just position it up front a little bit so you can barely see it. If you can't, like that much, you might be not able to see that, but that's what it should look like. Then you take your coin, and then you put it through that slot. Then push it through. Then your gumball will come out. And as you can see, the coin is stored kind of in there, if you could see it. Then to get it out, all you do is you just do that. Okay. So that's how to make not how to make, but that's showing you my Lego gumball machine. And yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, hope you liked my video, and thank you for all your support. Bye.